Going. I want to try something, and you get to be my person that we get to experiment with. There's something called document delivery, and this is something that's been available for everyone during COVID, especially, where even if we do have something here in the library, you can request an electronic version of it be sent to you, little pieces by pieces, so less than 10%, so a chapter at a time. So let me show you how to do that, and we can experiment. You can if you want to follow on this and do it, that would be fine. If you do, let me know how it goes and see if they're if it works out okay. Because I think you can do this. So we're looking for the book. The newest one is that 2011 one. Going so slowly. You can see people wandering around behind me. This is my first full day in a semester back at the library. It's pretty wild being here. Okay, so in this particular record, we call it, there's a bunch of metadata. And the metadata has all the stuff you would use in a citation. So like title, date of publication, author, table of contents oftentimes shows up in here. So I'm going to open up another tab, and I'm going to go to Interlibrary Loan. This is where the document delivery service lives, I think. I should know this, but yeah, it's the first day. I have so many ways of asking people that they get tired of me and they're like, here it is, Dale. So you get to join. Yeah, oh yeah, if anything happens, just throw me under the bus. Say Dale said it was cool if I did this. And then they'll go, oh, Dale. So when you go to Interlibrary Loan, this is something that you can request stuff from other libraries, things that we don't have. But since COVID, we've sent stuff to people off in like Hawaii and even Lima, Peru. It was really exciting. So what you would do in Interlibrary Loan, if you've never been here before, you have to fill out a form beforehand that says who you are and your unit and things like that. That way, if they need to mail stuff to you, they can do it that way. But right over here are the things you can request. And the one that we want is book chapter, because this is out of a book. And what you will do, should you be willing to try this experiment, is just go back and forth. And so you can just copy the book title and put it in this field, copy the book author and editor and put it in that field. Here you can see librarianship is not an exact science. You get people close enough and then they can get it. And once you've finished all those things, you don't have to put anything in the notes. You can if you want to, but I think we should try it without doing any explanation, and then click Submit Request. Inside of one day, you should get a message from Interlibrary Loan saying it's available, and then you would just go to the main menu of Interlibrary Loan, and that chapter should appear in electronically received items right there. It should be something that you should be able to access. Are you willing to do this? Let me know how it goes. And I'll still keep talking with your professor and see if we can sort out a more sustainable method.